Here we come to another elevator in the East parking garage at University of Houston in Houston, Texas. This is the auxiliary elevator. I didn't even know this was here the last time. It's a modernized Schindler 400A as well. And here it is. Well, we're gonna have a great view going up. 5. My gosh, those brakes are loud. These are fast too. All right, I'm gonna go for another ride in 4K mode. That is the most loudest brake sound I've ever heard. All right, down 1. It's an amazing view of the UH campus. All right, we'll watch the numbers this time and a cabbie going down. This thing shakes a lot as well. Listen. All right, back down to 1 and there. The motor has obviously been replaced. All right, it's definitely getting hot, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video. There it goes. And that's it.